Video inspection of the Eurotech Elite 545SL-Y. This machine is complete with parts conveyor, parts catcher, tool probe, tool eye, FANUC 32IB control, chip conveyor, plus 3 additional Z-axis tools for forward or back working, Jetstream high pressure coolant system, coolant chip tank with a skimmer, machine's exactly what it's supposed to be, and it is quiet. It's at a 2014. And this will come with a L&S quick load bar loader inside the machine. Tool eye collet system for the main and sub, plus the tooling that exists on the turret. And we'll back that up and show it to you as the machine demonstrates the operations. We're going to home out the turret, and we're going to run this up to what RPM?
I got about 2,500 on one of the spindles,
okay.
2,000 on both of them.
All right, 2,000 on both of them, and we can manually change that, correct?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So you can just see there is at least one cross drill down below, and then a bar puller, OD tools, ID tools, double turning tools. So it looks like 2 cross drills, one there and one there, plus the 3 Z-axis tools. Okay, we're going to demonstrate the machine. Okay. We're going to go to the main spindle. There's the tool eye, touch off.
Start demo.
Just a quick demo program. Show the machine. This is at what RPM here?
This is 2,500.
2,500 RPM. And this starts off at what? 1,500 and then 2,500? 2,000. 2,000. Rotary tools, you can hear they're very quiet. Parts catcher into the parts pan. Okay, we're just going to show you that repeat one more time. I'm about 12 inches from the turret. Indexing the turret, rotary tools, parts catcher, and you can see the chip conveyor at the bottom. Okay, and you want to just go manual RPM on the main spindle. What is the max? 4,000?
I've had it to 5,000.
5,000. So we're going to run it at 5,000. We're not going to run it long. We're not leveled or balanced on the floor. Main spindle.
Start out slow.
Okay. What are we at?
2,500 right now.
2,500 and
4,000.
4,000. 5,000. I'm about 5 inches away from the spindle. Brake. Go ahead and stop. Okay, and the sub. RPM?
2,500.
2,500.
4,000.
4,000.
5,000.
5,000 RPM, and I'm about 3 inches away from the spindle. Okay? That's a B42 collet on both sides. Okay, what is anything else you want to have? Okay, let me just show you the serial number plate. Thank you. Serial number reads at 12339 2014.
No.
This will conclude the video inspection of the Eurotech Elite 545SL-Y.